How exercise influences the brain, a neuroscience perspective. Welcome everyone. In this video I want to talk about how exercise impact or influence our brain. What you might not realize is that every step you take, every mile you paddle, or every lap you swim, you are enhancing your cognitive fitness. Yes, that's right. Moving your body can help your brain work better. It's not just about getting fit or losing weight. Exercise has some incredible effect on our mental capability and overall brain health. So let's consider how our modern lifestyle has changed our relationship with physical activity. We are living in the age where technology makes everything for convenient. It's also made us more sedentary. We spend hours sitting in front of a screen, whether for work or entertainment, and this has led to a global increase in obesity, heart diseases, and related health issues. It's easy to forget that our body are designed for movement, and this applies to our brain as well. When we exercise, especially when we do aerobic activity that get our heart pumping, some amazing thing happen in our body. Some amazing thing happen in our brains. One of the most exciting discovery is how exercise affects a part of our brain called hippocampus. This little seahorse-shaped structure is crucial for memory and learning. So research has shown that the regular aerobic exercise can actually make the hippocampus grow larger. Can you imagine that? You can literally expand a part of your brain just by moving your body. But it's not just about size. Exercise triggers the release of some pretty important chemical in our brain. One of these chemicals called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDF for short. This molecule is like fertilizer for your brain cells, helping them grow and form a new connection. Another chemical that gets boost from the exercise is vascular endothelial growth factor, or VEGF, which promote the growth of blood vessels in the brain, And let's not forget about the insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, which play a role in creating new blood vessels too. All of these changes lead to something called neuroplasticity, the brain ability to grow a neuronal connection and adapt. This is crucial for the learning and memory. When we exercise, we are not just working out our muscles, we are giving our brain a workout too, making them more efficient and better at processing information. Now you might be wondering about the immediate effect of exercise on brain. Well, there is something called the individual alpha peak frequency, IAPF, that measure our ability to focus and pay attention. Interestingly, this tends to increase about intense exercise more so than later a slow jogging or biking or even walking or even simple running. So if you are looking for quick brain boost before a big meeting or exam, a high intensity workout might be just the ticket. But the benefit of exercise on the brain go far beyond just improving memory and focus. Regular physical activity have been shown to have a protective effect against various neurological conditions. For example, people who exercise regularly are less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease and other form of dementia. This is partly because exercise helps prevent conditions like obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, which are factors for dementia. But exercise also has direct effect on brain cell itself, increasing the amount of healthy brain tissue and reducing the buildup of harmful plaque associated with Alzheimer's. Exercise is also a powerful tool for managing mood disorders. If you are ever experienced a run high, you know firsthand how exercise can boost your mood. This is not a temporary feeling. The regular exercise has been shown to significantly reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. It is so effective that some doctors and therapists now prescribe exercise as a part of treatment for these conditions. The mood boosting effect of exercise are thought to be due to the combination of the factors that include release of endorphin hormone, which is our body natural feel-good chemical, and the reduction of stress hormone. So speaking of stress, exercise is fantastic stress buster. While it does not directly reduce stress hormone, it does decrease the number of stress receptors in the hippocampus. This means that even if you are experiencing stress, your brain becomes less reactive to it. It's like turning down the volume on your stress response. Exercise also has some impressive effect on our cognitive ability as we get older. Our brain naturally starts to shrink, particularly in the area related to memory and learning. But the research has shown that the regular aerobic exercise can slow or even reverse this process. People who exercise regularly tend to have more gray matter and white matter in their brain, which translate to better cognitive function. They also show the improvement in something called executive function, our ability to plan, organize information, and make decisions. Now you might be wondering how much exercise you need to get these brain boosting benefits. The good news is that you don't need to become a marathon runner or spend hours in gym every day. Most studies suggest that 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise per week is enough to see significant benefits. That's about the 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and if you can manage more, even better. Some research suggests that doubling this amount to 300 minutes per week might provide even greater benefits. The type of exercise matters too. While any physical activity is good for you, aerobic exercise like walking, jogging, swimming, or even cycling seems to have most profound effect on the brain health. These activities get your heart pumping and increase blood flow to the brain, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells. It is also worth noting that the benefit of exercise on brain health accumulate over time. While a single workout can give you a temporary boost in mood and focus, the real magic happens when you make exercise a regular part of your routine. Over months and years, consistent exercise can lead to lasting change in brain structure and the function. But here is the really cool part. It's never too late for a start. Even if you have sedentary for years, starting an exercise routine can still provide significant benefit for your brain health. A study has shown that improvement in cognitive function and the mood even in older adults who start exercise later in life. So how you can incorporate more exercise in your life to boost your health? Start small if you need to. Even a 10-minute walk is better than nothing, and you can gradually increase your activity level over time. Find activity you enjoy. You are more likely to stick with exercise if it's fun. Maybe that's dancing, gardening, or even playing a sport. The key is to get moving and get your heart rate up. Remember, exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's a powerful tool to improving your cognitive abilities, managing stress and mood, and protecting your brain as you get older. So every time you lace up your sneaker for a walk or hit the gym, you are not just working out your body, you are giving your brain a fantastic workout too. So the next time you are debating whether to go for a run or hit the gym, remember, you are not just working out your body, you are supercharging your brain too. Now, who is ready to get moving? Please comment in the comment sections, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.